Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu A1 Mini abnormal extrusion force error extruder jam diagnosis fix. Step 1. Check the filament path. Pause the print and unload the filament. Now inspect the filament for bends, grinding or breakage. Make sure the spool rotates freely and the PTFE tube is not kinked or pinched. Step 2. Inspect for a nozzle clog. Heat the nozzle to the recommended temperature for your filament. Now use the supplied nozzle cleaning pin to clear the nozzle. If the clog remains, perform the official hot end slash nozzle unclogging procedure. Step 3. Check the extruder. Remove the hot end and inspect the extruder gears. Now remove any broken filament pieces or debris trapped inside and ensure the extruder gears rotate freely without obstruction. Step 4. Inspect the PTFE tube. Disconnect the PTFE tube from the tool head, then look through the tube for broken filament or blockages, and replace the PTFE tube if it is worn, damaged, or causing excessive friction. Step 5. Test manual extrusion. Reload the filament. Now use the printer's extruder function from the touchscreen. If filament flows smoothly from the nozzle, restart the print. Step 6. Try a different filament. Moist, brittle, or oversized filament can increase extrusion force. So test with a dry, high-quality spool to rule out filament issues. Step 7. Contact Bamboo Lab support. If the error continues after clearing the nozzle and extruder, record the error message and printer logs. Take photos of the hot end and extruder if needed. Then contact Bamboo Lab support for further diagnosis or replacement parts. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.